Hey, next time I see you, we're going to look at your x-rays.
I know.
They're gonna be sick. Yeah, right like that, cool. And we're gonna fold you up right here, like this, kind of loosey-goosey. That one feels good though, doesn't it? Mm-hmm. Okay, yeah, just there, just here, just here, just here. Nothing's there, let's try this side. Right, like here, here, loosey-goosey. No discomfort with that, correct?
No.
Cool, cool. Yeah, let's see here. Nothing's there, cool. Over two. That's how we started. Yeah, it's a good stretch either way. You're just trying to make me feel good. Let's get face that fan right there. Yes, man. And we'll, yeah, that's perfect. Let's cross up just like this. Chin, go down for me, please. Let's curl up in a little ball. Okay. You feel that guy though? Mm-hmm. Back here. Oh yeah. Another one. Oh my God. That sounded amazing. Oh yeah. And then can you come down this way just like a little bit here? Mm-hmm. That's good, cool. That's not even bad at all. There's like a little this bit right there, but that's feeling pretty awesome. Let me check up top here. That's good. There's nothing left. Miss Sarah, when you're ready, please breath and hold for me. Exhale, relax. All clear. Let's get you on your side. Face towards me. Right there. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Okay. Nailed it. Come on forward just a bit. That's good. And then we're going to roll you off the side. I got you. Ready? Mm-hmm. Here you go. Let's try the other way here. Okay, right like that here. And here. And then bottom, hip forward. Yes, ma'am. That's good. Hold right there. Mm-hmm. We're going to roll off the side. Here you go. Here you go. Yes. Let's get you on your back. Face up.
Yeah. The right side really needed that.
That sounds amazing. Yes, ma'am. And we're going to check left to right. And we'll do some vertical traction via hand because that one's been working really well.
Okay.
Maybe a little bit left. Let me check down low here, Miss Sarah. Right. Yeah. There it goes. Yes, perfect. And we'll check this side, you know. So let's see, kind of right here.
Oh.
Nice. Mm-hmm. And then we'll kind of go neutral and just a wiggle and a pull here, okay? So yeah, right like that. Come on, look. How's that feel? It's good stuff, man. Fresh. Yes, ma'am.